We would like to thank you for spending a few moments to learn more about Ramjack and the opportunity it offers. We all know that foundation problems are prevalent across the United States, and the need for foundation repair is in high demand. There are several options out there, but we think you'll find that none compare to Ramjack. Steve Gregory went into business for himself over 36 years ago. In rigorous pursuit of the foundation repair market, Steve recognized the need for better foundation repair, which led him to invent the steel piering system that Ramjack uses today.
Initially, we were pouring concrete and excavating and pouring concrete, shoring pads and that kind of thing. It wasn't stable. It was still, the concrete was supported by the soil that was causing the problem in the first place. So, I began to realize we had to have something that would get down deeper. So that's when I began to look at developing the original Ramjack system.
Ramjack is the industry leader with established dealerships across America. Thanks to Ramjack's patent steel piering technology, training, and dealer support, foundation failures are given long-term solutions across the nation daily. As a finished product, Ramjack meets the code requirements set by the International Code Council, which ensures that products meet the highest standards of construction. Our manufacturing facility, located in southern Oklahoma, utilizes state-of-the-art technologies in order to provide the highest quality product possible. Our products are powder-coated with an electromagnetically charged thermo-inset plastic, then treated in our slow heat convection unit. This ensures the longest life expectancy.
Ramjack definitely surpasses all other piers on the market today. With the wall thickness, with the welding, with the powder coating, the new powder coating, and all the different load testing that we've done on it, I don't think there's a stronger product available on the market.
Ramjack strives to provide our dealers with superior products. We maintain strict quality control at every level of manufacturing and through independent testing laboratories to guarantee that you have the best products on the market. Ramjack takes pride in our family of dealers, and we want them to be successful at every level. As a member of the Ramjack family, we will equip you with all the necessary components to build a successful business. We offer ongoing education on properly diagnosing foundation repair solutions.
You're not a number from the first person that picks up the phone. They all know you. The receptionist knows the dealers. You're passed on immediately to the person with your answer. If it's a thing that somebody has to be, they've called out of the country before to find the guy to get me the answer and call me back with it.
We'll help you learn how to market your business and fine-tune your sales techniques.
Ramjack was phenomenal and very helpful in developing and maintaining our sales force. I had sales experience in the past, but I went out to Dallas, rode around with their better salespeople, and picked up a lot of helpful hints.
We provide you high-quality commercials for television at no charge to help drive business. We also provide all other sales material, such as brochures, DVDs, and other sales literature. Ramjack's experienced staff certifies all crew personnel and provides ongoing on-site training in all foundation repair procedures. Ramjack offers advice on costing and business development in order to enhance bottom-line profit.
They also have sales training. They come to your office periodically, once or twice a year, conduct sales seminars, and help your salespeople directly. They are the most conscientious and hard-working manufacturers I've ever seen to help your sales force and continue their sales training.
I've been started using Ramjack back in 1999, and Ramjack's been a fantastic company to work with.
Well, item one, we chose Ramjack because we were in the shopping mode for a piering supplier.
When comparing Ramjack foundation systems to the other manufacturers I've dealt with in the past, Ramjack far exceeds the others. The backup and support they offer has no equal.
I could call Ron, I could call Chris, call any one of them with the technical in-the-field questions, and I got answers. The crew could call them and get answers about what to do on unique situations.
When I first started with Ramjack in '99, they came up and certified and trained all of us. Chris Bacon came out and worked with us for about a week on a big project that we did on some apartment complexes. And I tell you, if it wasn't for that, we couldn't have done it. Because I've been with other companies that have with different products that have trained us on things, and we never got the training that we got with Ramjack. The hands-on, they come up every year and spend some time with us, going over some new techniques, going over procedures, doing recertification. Ron in the sales area has just been phenomenal. He's really helped us grow and really helped us excel our company here in Kansas City.
I think Ron getting into that marketing side of things, it's been just, how we say, a rocket ride, and each year I got to put on a new seatbelt because the other one's just breaking loose. And that comes from internet, that comes from product development, that comes from the people in the field like Roger Schreiber helping us determine, better solutions or actually installing our product better. And again, little side thing like carbon fiber has brought in just another product line for us to be able to help our clients and help our engineers come up with solutions that they may not have had previous to our exposure in the market.
The quality of their materials far exceeds the competition. They use high carbon steel, which is superior to their competitors, and they do powder coating. Powder coating provides greater abrasion resistance.
I was looking at probably a durability factor, which first things we do is start comparing pipe thicknesses or pier thicknesses, welds, the weight of the pier itself. Again, my whole company was always focused on never being the cheapest, or probably not even close to that, but I wanted to be able to walk down the street and shake my customer's hand 20 years from now and still have a totally 100% satisfied customer. So I wanted the best that I could find. Some of the other stuff was simple research. For example, the powder coating, which made perfect sense to me as opposed to galvanizing. Some of my competitors put raw steel in the ground. Tell me that, below grade it won't rust. Oxygen can't get to it. I have several pieces out in the garages of theirs that we've taken out. It's rusty. Ours doesn't.
Probably one of the nicest things about Ramjack that they offer, opposed to any of the other pier installers or manufacturers, is the fact that you can get several different new product lines out. For instance, if you've got a unique commercial job or something, or you need a special bracket, Ramjack has no problem at all working with your engineers to get a design and get a new bracket made for you.
I feel Ramjack is a far superior product than any other product on the market today. Number one, with the dual ram system, we know we get more driving force than any other pier put in the ground today. The engineering that backs the Ramjack product is far more than anybody else. Our sales presentation for the Ramjack system, I don't even think my other competitors even have anything even close to being like it.
In my opinion, they designed the pier to be the last pier you as a consumer would ever need.
I get asked quite frequently to give my opinion about being a Ramjack dealer because my experience of having other systems. I tell each potential new dealer, go ahead and sign up. There's no decision. Ramjack is the best way to go, whether product superiority or backing by the factory. You can't go wrong being a Ramjack dealer. It's been a very pleasant experience.
We even have engineer reports. I think one of them came from out of Alaska. It was in the actual engineer's report that this pier, Ramjack's pier, had a 50 to 100 year life expectancy. I mean, that's awesome. And that's what I want. I never want to be ashamed of what my crew does and the product that I put in. And that's what fits.
From my experience with the Ramjack family, and Ron Davidson in particular, his help has been tremendous in giving us that upper edge on our competition.
They're always a phone call away, and it is a family. It's a big family. I can call on other Ramjack dealers. I work with a couple of the other Ramjack dealers locally, and we're able to swap material. If they need something, they can come here and get it. If we need help on putting together presentations, I can call on them and get some information. And all the guys have been really good. So I'd say it is a big family.
The name Ramjack is instrumental in our success. Ramjack sounds like you're going to fix a house. And that name is becoming generic as far as foundation repair goes. Had an engineer the other day says, I need you to ramjack a house. And that name is very beneficial in helping us. It's kind of like name recognition. Ramjack is becoming synonymous with foundation repair.
We thank you for spending the time to learn more about Ramjack and the opportunity it can provide. We are excited that you have considered joining our family, and we understand that you may have more questions. That is why we would like to personally invite you to meet our family and tour our manufacturing facility. While you're here, we'll show you a good time. But more importantly, we want to show you the enormous opportunity that Ramjack can provide by letting you get to know us better and answer any questions you may have. So call us right now. We're eager to meet you and get you on the road to success.